Hello all and welcome back to the channel. Let's get in here and get ready to make this delicious banana bread. Coming up next. Let's get started. Alright, you're going to grab you a good medium-sized bowl, and to that we're going to add 2 cups of all-purpose flour, and to our flour we're going to mix in some baking powder, some baking soda, and some salt. And as always, the ingredients will be listed below. I'm going to give that a good sift there. And as I said in my other videos, I always sift my flour. And we're going to give that a quick whisk there. Mix it all together. There you go. We're going to set that aside. Grab us another bowl. And here we have 1/3 cup of white sugar and 1/3 cup of brown sugar. Now that brown sugar has been packed in, as you can see. 1 stick of room temperature butter. Alright, I'm going to grab my handy dandy hand mixer that my little brother gave me for Christmas. Shout out to all little brothers out there giving Christmas gifts. You are very much appreciated. Okay, we're just going to keep on mixing this up here. Turn that off. Now we're going to add 1 1/2 teaspoon of cinnamon, 2 eggs, we're going to add 1 1/2 teaspoon of vanilla extract. We got 1/2 cup of buttermilk. Yeah, buttermilk is the secret ingredient. Don't forget the buttermilk. Let's continue to mix up this right here with my mixer. Mix it all together. Ooh, I had to turn it down. It was splashing everywhere, y'all. It's a powerful mixer. All right, we're going to turn that off. And we're going to set that aside. We're going to grab us another bowl. We got our 3 to 4 ripe bananas. Get those a little cut there. Alright, don't forget to subscribe to my channel, y'all. Y'all were watching my videos and not subscribing. Alright, we get these bananas in the bowl. We're going to mash them up with a fork just like this. See how nice and mashed. But these bananas smell good. They're nice and sweet. Alright, we're going to grab our wet ingredients back. And we're going to add those bananas to our creamed up mix. Grab our little whisk again. We're going to whisk, whisk, whisk. Now this is optional, but I'm going to add some chopped pecans. I chopped those up really fine. I'm gonna mix them in. Now we're gonna grab our dry ingredients, our flour mixture that we had sitting over in the corner. We're gonna add a little bit at a time to our wet ingredients. We're gonna give them a nice fold, gently fold them in with your rubber spatula. See how I'm doing it? Nice and gentle. Folds. And now we're going to add the rest of the mixture in there. Set that bowl over there. And we're going to give it a nice, gentle fold. Watch how I do that, y'all. We don't want to mix it up too much because it's going to make your banana bread tough. And we don't want no tough banana bread and to be talked about at the next family reunion or company picnic. No, we don't want to be talked about, y'all, so don't overmix this. Okay, make sure you have your oven preheating at 325. We're going to grab us a greased loaf pan. We're going to pour all that nice, good smelling banana mix in our loaf pan. Okay, once we get our banana mixture in our loaf pan, we're going to smooth it out just like that with our rubber spatula. Get it nice and smooth and even. And that's what it should be looking like. And we're going to place this in a 325-degree oven for 1 hour and 10 minutes. Possibly longer depending on your oven temperature. Okay, we are back. And looky here. I'm going to place this on a cooling rack for about 5 or 7 minutes. Maybe even a little bit longer. Now we're going to put this on my little serving board here, and I'm going to let it cool for another 25 to 30 minutes. So now that our banana bread has given some time to cool down, we're going to slice into it, and we can see how nice and soft and moist this bread is. Look at that, y'all. Look how soft that is. I can't wait for y'all to give this a try. Look at that wonderfulness. Yummy. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. Till next time, thanks for watching. Bye.